Hey everybody. This week we are going to be doing a little bit of introduction for our Rube Goldberg project that we do at the end of the school year. So we're going to be looking at simple machines, which are basically things that you can find in your everyday life that don't require any mechanics to make them work. And these are things that we've been using as humans for tens of thousands of years. So I'm going to go through what you're doing each day in this project to give you a little bit more background. On Tuesday, we are going to focus on our introduction, and we're really answering our big question: what are simple machines? You may have seen them or heard about them before, but they're really essential to our lives. Okay, so there is a reading that is posted, and you need to summarize all 6 and look at this word mechanical advantage. And this mechanical advantage is really important to why simple machines have been used for tens of thousands of years. All right, next up on Wednesday is when we're really going to look at our brainstorming. So part of this is really our application to our everyday life, because when we do Rube Goldberg, we will be using everyday products. Okay, so you need to, for all 6, you're gonna find an example in your home. And I mean like actually in your home. You can go up to it, you can look at it, or you can pick it up. And on Google Classroom, there's gonna be a question. And what simple machines are found in your home? Found most in your home. While I was creating this, I also looked around my home and I also came to a conclusion for this answer. So it might be different for anyone, and that's okay. And then you're going to also brainstorm how forces apply to this. So going back to some of our previous content that we just went over. Cool. So on Thursday and Friday are really the days where you can start getting creative. One thing about our Rube Goldberg project is that you actually do it and film it and present it. So we're kind of getting used to finding things on our own and presenting them. So for all 6, you're going to choose one example from your home. And like I said, it needs to be actually in your home, okay? And you're going to make something of your choice. So a great idea is a video to get your brain moving, do something different. You can do a Prezi, slides, or if you have another idea, email your teacher. I would love to hear your ideas. And you can see the presentation guidelines, but they're going to go through all 6. So a picture of the simple machine in your home, how it works, the forces that are applied, and here's my favorite: same task without it. And this is our big focus here. How would you be able to do the same thing without it? Because you may realize that without the simple machine, it'd be pretty hard to do. There's also an example on the requirement sheet. So as a reminder, this is due Friday. And if you need help or extra time, reach out to your tutor. You know, this is a time where we're really flexible and we're willing to help you with really anything. And your teacher may also have a Zoom online meeting to go over this and any other questions that you have. Cool. Well, enjoy doing this. This is a great application piece and a great time to start thinking about some future projects. So if you also want to look up what Rube Goldberg machines are, you're going to really see how what we're doing applies to that. Enjoy.